Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use RedotPay Virtual Card. First, open the RedotPay app on your device and go to the Card section. Tap on Create Virtual Card and complete any verification steps if required. Once done, your card details including the card number, expiry date and CVV will appear on the screen. So make sure to keep your CVV private. Before using the virtual card, you need to add funds. Go to Wallet and select Deposit. Choose cryptocurrency, usually USDT on the TRC20 network for lower fees. Copy the deposit address provided and send the crypto from your exchange or wallet to this address. Once your card has funds, you can use it normal like a Visa or MasterCard. Go to any online store such as Amazon, AliExpress, or subscription services and select credit or debit card as the payment method. Enter the card number, expiry date, CVV, and your name, then confirm the payment. The amount will be deducted from your RedotPay balance. If your region supports it, you can also add the virtual card to Google Pay or Apple Pay and use it for contactless payments on the device that support NFC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.